This is GPT-4. You probably think you already know how powerful it is. But trust me, these 3 hidden tricks that no one else is talking about are straight up mind-blowing. And they're actually hiding in plain sight right now in the ChatGPT interface. So I'm gonna show them to you right now. If you like learning cool AI stuff, stay tuned for more videos just like this. Also hit that like button if you want to see more AI content. Alright, let's jump in. So for trick no. 1. Most people come to GPT-4 to get it to write things or translate things, but almost no one uses it to summarize 20-page legal contracts into 5 bullet points. When you click this, you can essentially tell GPT-4 to act like any expert you want, and GPT-4 will follow your instructions. For example, I told it to act like a Hollywood screenwriter who writes suspense thrillers in under 200 words. Let's test it out and see if it can deliver a good story. And if you want to keep learning about AI, click on one of these 2 videos right here. I'll see you in the next video. Yes, you heard that right. You can use GPT-4 to do the summary of your legal contracts. If you didn't, watch this video right there. I think that'll help you too. All you need to do is paste the text in, and then you can ask it to summarize it. Here's an example. I found this random paragraph. This is dense. Most people can't understand this. Let's have GPT-4 rewrite it. So here it is. GPT-4 took that whole paragraph and made it so much easier to understand for anyone. You can also use it to debug your code. Yes, that's right. That's trick no. 2. Not only can GPT-4 help you write code, it can explain broken code, find bugs, and teach you step-by-step how to fix it. For example, here's some Python that looks correct, but there's a bug in it. Let's paste it into GPT-4 and see what it has to say. So as you can see, there was an issue with the input not being received correctly because the input function was missing parentheses. Thanks, GPT-4. And then GPT-4 goes ahead and gives you the corrected code and even provides a better way to do it with best practices and everything. Now, this might not work perfectly every single time, but it works often enough to save you tons of time if you're stuck on a coding problem. Imagine saving hours of time where you would normally be scratching your head looking at a bug. That's the type of value GPT-4 can bring you when it comes to coding. Alright, moving on to the 3rd trick. If you go down a little bit below the input box, you will see where it says Custom GPT Role Creator. Okay, now let's summarize all 3 tricks that we've covered today. No. 1. GPT-4 can summarize anything for you, especially legal documents. Just paste the text and ask it to summarize it. No. 2. GPT-4 is an amazing code debugger and explainer. You can paste your code in, and if there's something wrong with it, GPT-4 will let you know and also explain how to fix it. And no. 3. You can create a custom GPT role creator by clicking that button below the input box. You can act like any expert you want and make it write anything you want. Okay, now that we've covered all the tricks, let's talk about how useful these can be. If you use ChatGPT just for chatting or just for writing, you're really only tapping into a tiny bit of its potential. When you start using it for summarizing, explaining, debugging, writing different types of content, that's when ChatGPT becomes a real productivity powerhouse. So I want to ask you, which one of these tricks are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've discovered any other cool hacks, please share them in the comments as well because everyone watching this video will benefit. Now, before you go, make sure to smash that like button. It really helps my channel out a lot. Hey, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already.